Hi, in this video we're going to be pairing a new remote to our crane scale here. This is the SLW crane scale with wireless remote. First, what you're going to want to do is you want to make sure your crane scale is on and charged. By pushing this button will turn it on. So I'll turn it off right now and then turn it back on. So now we're good to go. After that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to turn on your remote. Upon turning it on, it's going to do a countdown. You're going to want to press 8 and then debug, which is 0. And that's going to search for the channel and address that the crane scale is working with. So I'm going to turn it on. And then 8 and then 0. Now it's searching for it. Found the channel and the address. Now where you want to press is 9 and then enter. And then you're going to have to type in a password. The password here is 014789. Then press enter and make sure the channel is correct. The channel is 12 and the address was 0011. And then you're going to press enter. And it's going to save that, and it's going to pair it to your crane scale. So now it is paired. If I pull onto the scale, the numbers will move. Thank you. If you do have any questions, please give us a call.